There's nothing better at the start of a night out than a lovely little fresh sour to waken you up and get you ready for a night ahead. I'm Connor from Burrow. Today I'll be making one of our drinks. It's called the Tracy Chaplin. It's one of our new cocktails off the menu. It is a twist on an old drink called the Charlie Chaplin from the 1910s in New York City. This drink is using a bourbon infused with blueberries rather than the traditional slow gin that goes into the Charlie Chaplin, and a housemaid's apricot syrup and lime juice. So reasonably traditional as far as the original flavour profile, just with that bourbon blueberry richness added in. So we've got our blueberry infused bourbon. We use 45 millilitres of that. The syrup, which is spiced with a little bit of a pimento edge, goes in as well. We also use the seeds and the skin while making that syrup to give it a real sort of bitterness that comes through. And then 30 millilitres of fresh lime juice. The fresh is obviously really important. So that is essentially the drink. Now we just have to give that a nice hard shake. And this drink is meant to have an amazing colour. Because of the bourbon infusion, that we get a bit of a tannic influence on the bourbon, and when you shake that hard, it actually emulsifies just a little bit and gives you a lovely little, not creamy, but a little bit of a foamy head to this drink. And that one is garnished with just a little dehydrated lime, which is reasonably traditional nowadays. A lot of places that serve this drink regularly will use a dehydrated lime wheel. That goes on there. And that is the Tracy Chaplin.